Hello everyone, if you are using Windows 10 operating system, then today I am going to explain you a Windows 10 trick where you can use two desktops in a single laptop. Yes, you heard it right. If you have a social media account for your personal use, and if you have a social media account for the office use, and if you are working from home, in that case, if you are using only a single desktop and with more than one or two browser, then it is quite possible that you may get confused between one desktop to other desktop and one account to another account. So to avoid this ambiguity, you can use the two different dedicated desktop for the different purpose. Say one desktop for the home use and other desktop for the office use. How you can do that? That we are going to learn with this video. Welcome to our channel Tara Tutorials. I'm a new YouTuber, so I need your support. For that, I request you to please subscribe our channel and please like and share the video. So let's start the video. Welcome to Tara Tutorials. Our motto is learn everything with perfection. Thank you for watching Tara Tutorials. Well, to use the different desktop and to rename the desktop name in Windows 10 operating system, you need to click on Task View button. Here you can see the Task View button. You need to click on this. Okay, if you are not able to see this Task View button, just right click on the taskbar anywhere, and you can, if it is not checked, so Task View button, just click on this and it will be visible. Once you click on the Task View button, here you can see the desktop 1, desktop 2. So before the May 2020 update, we don't have option to rename the desktop name, but in the after the May 2020 update, now you have option that you can rename this desktop name. Also, if you are not if the two desktop is not sufficient for you, you can add the more desktop in your laptop or in your operating system. So how to rename the desktop? You just need to just click on the desktop 1 button and here give the name as say home, and here click on the desktop 2 and give the name as office. Now when I click on the office, see if I have opened here in the browser, I have opened the Times of India page. I click on the again and click on the home desktop and see what is open in the Mozilla browser, that is a YouTube. So you can quickly switch between one desktop to another desktop using the this different desktop name which you have made it, and by that way you can use the different desktop and you can avoid work between your personal work and the office. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. We'll get back with an interesting video soon. Thanks for watching again.